Hit subscribe now. Share and like. Hello friends, I'm so glad you're here today. We're going to talk about something incredible: travel. Travel is more than just seeing new places. It is about feeling new things. It is about learning and growing. It gives you stories you will tell for the rest of your life. Travel can be one of the best parts of our lives. You get to meet new people, taste new food, see sights that take your breath away. It is a powerful force for good in the world, connecting us and teaching us about our shared humanity. This video is all about helping you make your next trip absolutely amazing. We're going to explore how to travel responsibly and enjoyably. I'll share simple, clear tips you can actually use before, during, and after your trip, so it's better for you, the places you visit, and the planet. The best trips begin long before you step out the door. A little bit of planning makes everything smoother and more enjoyable. First, learn a few essential words in the local language. Simple phrases like hello, please, and thank you. People appreciate the effort. A smile plus local words turns a transaction into a warm interaction. Next, read about your destination. You don't need to be an expert, just know the basics. Find out if you should remove shoes at homes or temples and learn dress codes for religious sites and neighborhoods. Understanding these rules helps you fit in, avoid offense, and feel more comfortable. When booking, think where your money goes. Choose small, locally owned hotels or family-run guest houses. Big chains often send profits out of the country. Staying local can help a family pay for school, buy groceries, or invest in their town. You also get authentic stays and insider tips. Look for reviews mentioning friendly hosts and a local feel. Packing can feel like a big chore, but it doesn't have to be. The secret is to pack light and pack smart. A lighter bag is easier. Stations, stairs, old streets, no problem. Less weight means less fuel and a smaller carbon footprint. Pack versatile items. Build a simple capsule wardrobe in a neutral palette. Layers are your best friend. T-shirt, long-sleeved shirt, sweater, light waterproof jacket. Roll clothes to save space. Bring a reusable water bottle. Refill for free in many places. Pack a small foldable day bag and leave your main luggage at the hotel. A portable power bank keeps your maps and photos alive all day. Bring a tiny first aid kit, bandages, pain relievers, antiseptic wipes. Go plastic-free with a reusable bag, perfect for groceries and souvenirs. Keep digital and paper copies of passport, visas, and confirmations, organized and secure. How you spend your money can have a powerful positive impact. Shop and eat at local markets. Buying from locals puts money directly in their hands and supports traditions. Avoid generic chain souvenirs. Pick unique items that tell a story. Carry some local cash. Small shops, market stalls, and family-run restaurants may be cash only. Use bank ATMs for lower fees, and notify your bank before travel to prevent declines. Set a soft daily budget for food, activities, and shopping. Mindful, not restrictive. Choose a picnic one day so you can splurge the next on what matters most. Haggle respectfully where it's customary. Aim for a fair price for both of you. The way you get around shapes your experience. Walk when it's safe and practical. At a human pace, you find hidden alleys, charming shops, and peaceful squares. Use all your senses. Smell fresh bread, hear laughter, feel the streets. For distance, embrace public transportation. Bus, tram, subway. It's a cultural experience. Travel alongside locals and feel the city's rhythm. Trains and buses have a lower carbon footprint per person than taxis. Study the map, ask for help, and enjoy the ride. Rent a bike in bike-friendly cities, dedicated lanes and easy rentals. Cover more ground, stay outdoors, healthy, fun, eco-friendly. Follow local rules and wear a helmet. If you need a car or taxi, consider shared rides to cut cost and emissions. Choose trains over short flights, relaxing, scenic, and city center arrivals. Your transport choices matter. One of the greatest joys of travel is food. Eating connects you to culture. Authentic flavors are often at small family eateries, bustling courts, and popular street stalls. Ask locals for their favorite simple meals. People love sharing recommendations. Be adventurous. Order something new. You might find a favorite. Sharing meals is universal. Join a family table or communal seating for meaningful memories. Food brings people together and opens windows to traditions. Share a piece of your own too. In many places, avoid tap water. Choose bottled or a reusable bottle with a filter, sustainable and cost-effective. Prefer busy spots with high turnover, fresher, safer food. Always ask before photographing people. Consent shows respect. Learn local norms. Keep voices low during quiet times. Cover shoulders and knees at religious sites. A simple smile and polite behavior go a long way. As travelers, we're responsible for protecting beautiful places. Reduce single-use plastics, bottles, bags, straws. Small choices prevent big waste. Carry reusables. Simple habit, powerful effect. Choose stays with green practices, water and energy savings, renewables recycling. Be mindful in your room. Switch off. Reuse towels. Millions of small actions add up. Observe wildlife from a distance. Never interfere, and do not feed animals. Corals are fragile. Don't touch or stand on reefs. Watch your step on beaches. Leave nature as you found it. Stay on trails and choose low-impact tours, kayaking or sailing over jet skis. Support certified operators and local guides. Avoid animal exploitation. No elephant rides or captive wildlife photos. Your choices vote for the world you want. Make copies of key documents, keep digital and paper backups in separate places, save embassy contacts and local emergency numbers for police, fire, and ambulance. Know where the nearest clinic or hospital is. Stay aware. Avoid flashing jewelry, big cameras, or lots of cash. Keep valuables secure. Use a money belt for passport, extra cash, and cards. When possible, lock your passport in the hotel safe and carry a copy in the day. After dark, stick to well-lit busy areas. Go with a friend. Use registered taxis or reputable ride shares. Trust your feelings. If it feels wrong, leave and find a public space. Keep your phone charged and consider sharing your location with someone you trust. The journey doesn't end when you get back home. Reflect and post fair, specific reviews. Friendly service, clean rooms, delicious food help small businesses thrive. Keep supporting from afar. Buy again directly or share their work. Consider trusted local organizations. Small, direct gifts can go far. Make memories last. Albums and journals with what you saw, felt, and learned. Use lessons to travel better. Pack lighter. Learn more language. Pick offbeat places. Travel is a gift. Lead with kindness, respect, and curiosity. What one small change will you make on your next trip to travel more responsibly?